Approximately 66 million years ago, Earth was a completely different planet than the one we know today. Vast jungles covered the continents, volcanoes were part of the landscape, and dinosaurs ruled every corner of the world. It was an age of giants, deep sounds, and abundant life. Dinosaurs had ruled the planet for over 165 million years. Some were enormous and peaceful, others swift and ferocious. Each species played an important role in the balance of nature. Among them all, Tyrannosaurus rex stood out as one of the most feared hunters. Its powerful roar shook the earth, and its mere presence commanded respect. But the dinosaurs were not alone. Enormous pterosaurs soared through the skies, and giant reptiles, which we would never see again, swam in the waters. Life went on as usual. Herds fed, predators stalked, and the sun illuminated the world as it had for millions of years. Far from Earth, in the silence of space, a gigantic rock was traveling at incredible speed. No one on the planet could have imagined that this object would change history forever. This meteorite was more than 10 kilometers in diameter and was headed straight for Earth. There was no way to stop it. Shortly before impact, something seemed strange. The sky changed color, the weather was unstable, and many animals were behaving restlessly. Suddenly, the meteorite entered the atmosphere. The sky lit up as if it were daytime, and a huge fireball streaked across the heavens. The meteorite impacted in what we now know as Chicxulub, Mexico. The explosion was so powerful that it shook the entire planet. Giant earthquakes swept across entire continents. The Earth's crust ruptured, and chaos spread throughout the world. In the oceans, enormous tsunamis swept across coastlines, destroying everything in their path. Incandescent fragments rained from the sky for hours, igniting fires across the planet. Dust and ash blanketed the atmosphere. The sun was hidden for months, and then years. Without sunlight, temperatures plummeted, many plants died, and the natural balance was disrupted. Large herbivores began to disappear. Without food, carnivores couldn't survive either. For years, the dinosaurs struggled to survive, but the world had changed too quickly. Finally, the dinosaurs vanished. A reign of millions of years came to an end. Small mammals, insects, and birds managed to adapt. Thanks to them, life continued. Over time, the Earth recovered. From the ashes, a new world was born, one that millions of years later would give rise to humankind.